Select Rectangle tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a square of 10 millimeters. Select Contour, contour outside for steps, 10 millimeters offset, mitered corner. Break contour group, Ctrl-K to break. Ungroup objects, Ctrl-U. Select all and rotate to 45 degrees. Select all, hold the corner and place it on the lower end of the inner object. Press right-click to create a copy. Select Virtual Segment Delete tool and delete lines as shown here. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Separate these color-filled objects and delete the squares. Select 3-point rectangle tool and draw a rectangle as shown here. Or draw a line and fill color using Smart Fill tool. Fill black color and apply transparency to this object. Adjust the transparency. Rotate to 90 degrees and place it as shown here. Create a copy, hold Ctrl and rotate. Create a copy of both the object and place it on opposite sides. Create one more copy, rotate and place it above. Select all and remove outline. Right-click on cross mark on color palette. Ctrl-G to group. Apply drop shadow. Adjust opacity and feather.